Oh, this is the worst. What's good, YouTube? Oh, I don't even know how to talk. So we just got to the back puzzle, of course, of our puzzle this week. Of course, we got ticket number 37, and we actually have a win up front. But man, we had that storage fiasco where midway through, storage got full. And I truly do apologize there if any of you ever encountered it. It doesn't save the video there that you had up to there here. So you missed me talking to myself because, of course, I don't talk until I win. But once I found out I won, I started talking. So again, we'll finish up here. My apologies, and this is a tough one to recover from. But we can finish up here. First time where we can talk through it, and we'll save the win for a wee bit. But let me try to get back in focus here. We have actually, of course, a good slate of letters. No E. We found out that there's no F, no S, but we got a nice win on the front. So we are on the board this week. Apologies that you didn't catch that, though. No B as well. Once we get to all of us, really, me and the fantastic ladies, once we get to about puzzle 3, we kind of, well, we all scratch a different way. I think Mrs. Itch goes one letter at a time across all the puzzles. So, but for me, going one puzzle at a time, by the time I'm at puzzle number 3, I kind of know what letters aren't there. So when I'm typically doing my editing on the fast forward side, it's the shortest segment there. Other than the words that you see me put on the left side, I'm really splitting the video and then amongst those sections, speeding each one up, normally 2x. Normally takes me about 20 to 23 minutes to get through these. And so by the time it's at the end, it shrinks to about 11 or 12 minutes. And that's how it normally goes for me. And of course, when we were doing these during the days, of course, I had to add on the book or the tickets that I'd be scratching the next day. But doing it solo at night, of course, we don't have that to worry about. So, of course, we are getting near the end. 2 more weeks left, so gotta figure something out with the ladies. But yeah, this is all on me. Definitely take responsibility. But I tell you, I've said it verbally before, but you know, not too much thought. But I said these 4K videos take up a lot of space. You gotta be careful and manage, of course, those things periodically. Because yeah, there's no warning on this iPhone, so tough one. It's happened before, but I'm not wearing headphones this video, but normally it'll beep. And for whatever reason, that one time it happened, it did save the video, but nothing saved here today from the front. All right, let's see. We got OPTION. This is actually a full word, our second one. So to make this video somewhat normal speed, we will not speed this one up. And I've tried to talk through, which other than, of course, our matriarch here in this community, Fancy Nancy Scratcher, the rest of us do use the fast forward feature. Let's see, WORLD. So we do have 3 words here now on the back as well. We've hit it from the front and the back tonight. All right. I got a feeling I know what this may be. Of course, you guys and gals there, maybe you're looking ahead already. This is the biggest win so far for all 3 of us. But perhaps we got 2 more words coming. All right, so now, franchise. I typically go horizontal and then vertical. Skip this one. But I know I got all of these. The C, the H, the I, no S, and no E. And so mentally, the way I mark it sometimes with this beautiful gift that Kiana Clayton got me, and I've been using. She got it, and I held on to it for 2 to 3 months. I didn't do crosswords on this channel. First time was when we did our $5 book, which is about 13 weeks ago. And I kept this in a drawer just for a special occasion when I scratched my first bingo or crossword. So that's how this came about. I think we just got the W here. So we're still here on puzzle 3, last puzzle, the back side of these. And 3 words is where we're sitting at. Like we said, it's getting down to the end now, going vertical, cleaning up. Because you kind of, at this juncture, definitely power through it. No F. We do have that O. Ooh. All right, let's see. No F there. No, we got the T. No, we got the N. Like I said, a good mix of letters. No N. E, of course. You'll see in puzzle 1, and we'd have got the top prize if we had the E. But, you know, folks always do that. If I had this or that, I definitely try not to do that. I was staring hard. That's why I wish we had that recording. I was pausing, unsped up for about 20 or 30 seconds, trying to shoot some lasers through this ticket to make a F turn into a E. But we didn't have the F either, so it's all good. All right, I gotta make sure I got 3 words. Let's see, tour, option, and world. Somewhere I got a feeling that, yeah, I think those are all words. All right, here we go. Here's the par, the 4th one. I just figured we'd have 5 words back here for the 50. But we're almost there. Like I said, maybe you guys and gals have found it. No F, no E, so it doesn't have to be. We got no E here either. All right. Well. Let's see here in a bit. Of course, no S. No E. We got the T and the L. Because when I get to this part, I don't even look up at the letters. I've just remembered what is or isn't. About midway through puzzle 2, where I normally stare up at puzzle 1 to validate that I didn't have certain ones. And now this is where, if I take too long here, I will edit it out later. Like split it again, try to pause the ticket so that it doesn't look like there's movement, and cut out any pausing. But this is where I try to validate to make sure I don't miss anything. And sometimes, you know, you great eyes there will do the comment where it wasn't a win anyway, but you missed the S, and we appreciate that because we do try to do it justice. So again, T-O-U-R, one word, option, O-P-T-I-O-N, 2 words, world, W-O-R-L-D, and then 4th word, par, P-A-R. There should be a 5th, I think. I don't know that sitting here on the 20 plus what we got in the front is a prize. All right, so I'm pausing here for a wee bit, and we may do a code check. Oh, car. There we go, 5th word. I just knew, like I said. All right, so we did get 50 here. Like I said, you guys and gals stuck with me through that. But of course, we had 2 words down here in puzzle 2, Matt and rut. But we actually had 5 words here for the hundo on the crossword. First win, like a lot of you had the prayers up really, and were telling me that man, stick through it. You were saying the last ticket black box special, but some of you said ticket 37, ironically. But we had pupil, pry, lot, amid, and 5th word was Macaroni. Call that macaroni. So 5 and 5. And that's how we got our hundo today. Man, 50 and 50. But like I said, this is that puzzle where, you know, just because of those E's, it would, I think 11 words was what I counted while I was recording that one. So yeah, that's definitely what's up. And like I said, just to make sure, I'm pretty sure we have a HUN up there. There's the U, there's the H, and then we should have the N. So the hundo, biggest win so far, ladies, and we are now above $200 back on this book. Of course, don't know what you guys and our ladies have this week. But wow, this is now a good book. We have now, like we said, made it past the halfway mark. So let's push these last 2 weeks. Like we said, for me, we're all on ticket 7, 17, 27, and 37. So, of course, next week brings those lucky 8s. And then, of course, we will finish that up with the 9s. And this will be our second book together. Wonderful, wonderful support there. Excellent crew. And definitely no one else I'd rather do this with than you ladies that definitely respect the crosswords through and through and take your time and patience. We all got different styles. But like I said, you know, I appreciate you ladies for 4, 5, 6, 7 months since I've been doing this thing from afar. And so I respect and, like I said, appreciate you helping me along the way. So let's go ahead and finish up strong, and definitely check out Fancy Nancy Scratcher out of New York. The lovely Miss Amanda, of course, out of Louisiana. And, of course, one half of the Scratching the Itch couple, wonderful Mrs. Itch. And that's, of course, the dynamic foursome here. And we've been doing this thing, like we said, about 13 weeks strong now. And like I said, maybe I'll tease it. Put it out here. What I kind of want to propose is maybe we get that book of these Maryland bingo tickets, which is a $20 ticket, and we can pivot from the crosswords. This took me 32 minutes to scratch. And that's and this takes about 20 minutes. So Fancy Nancy, like I said, I know you don't use any wizardry there, but again, I'll put the fillers out to you ladies, and we shall figure it out to see if we can keep the ball rolling. But again, thank each and every one of you for your support and understanding here today. We did encounter some technical difficulties, but again, just like live streams, and I tell a few people, not to say always have a plan B or C, but in life, prepare yourself to be able to pivot, push through, and adapt and overcome. So, you know, that's what we had to do today. And once again, like I said, thank you for your understanding. And wow, that hundo, definitely a long time coming just to get the first hit, of course, on these back half, these last 10 tickets of the pack. But it was definitely well worth it here in week 8. So again, until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and peace.